and welcome to the Teaching Corner. My name is Mama Norris and we've been doing some executive functioning for college students going off to class. I wanted to mention a couple of tools that I use every day and the one that I just found out about that's really great for students going off to college. So the first thing is Quizlet. I'm sure most of you have heard about that, but this allows you to put the definition, the word, and then the definition, and it will play games and allow you to study. This is one tool that I used all throughout when my sons were in elementary, middle, and high to allow me to be taken out of the studying process and allow them to do it on their own. But this is something that you can do. Also, Grammarly, as you're writing all of these wonderful papers in college, it's a great way to help you not only catch your spelling mistakes, but also your grammar mistakes and help you clean up your writing as you're writing. So this is a fantastic tool. If you struggle with taking notes in class, if you're an auditory learner and taking notes in class does not allow you to really focus on what's being said, there is this app called Glean. And if you are a student with, I do believe it's a service that you have to pay for. However, if you have an IEP or a 504 in high school, you can get this as an accommodation in college, but it allows you to record the lectures. So you'd have to have permission to record first of all, but not only does it allow you then to play back the lecture, but then after you've recorded the lecture, it will convert the lecture to text so that you can see, if you need the visuals, so you can see what was said in class. It also allows you, as you're recording, to import the slides. So as the professor is at the front of the classroom going through the slides, you can see the slides on your recording and follow along with that as well. It allows you to add definitions and images from the internet. It does have a time management feature, so if you're trying to study for 10 or 15 minutes, it allows you to study without distraction while you're focusing on your notes. But a really cool feature is it's linked with AI. So what this does is it'll take the notes from that day and create a quiz for you. It's multiple choice. Sorry, they give you 3 multiple choices to pick from, but it does make them all plausible. So all 3 of them could be the answers. So you actually have to understand the information to get it right. But this is a wonderful tool as a parent of a student who struggled to take notes, and as a special educator myself, I have done a lot of using Quizlet to help my students in taking a study guide and putting it in there and putting all this information in there. This already does that for you, and then it'll create that quiz, which I haven't actually seen it, so please, if you use it, put it down in the comments below. Tell me how well it works. But that seems like basically being able to take what I did as the teacher and just take it to college with you so you can do it completely 100% on your own. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.